but dots.
Okay,
Dashes.
what we're going to do is, if this is Holly or any spirit, we're going to use what you're touching as a way to answer the questions. Okay, if you can hear what we're saying, can you step away a moment, please, and we will help you and ask you questions. I don't know what's doing that.
No?
Yeah, yawn.
No, if you want to. Okay, can you step away from it, please? It almost sounds like dash and dots, Morse code.
A little bit, yeah. It could be.
Yeah, none of us know Morse code, so...
No, don't think about it. The war.
The war. I was just going to say the war.
Yeah.
They would have used that.
It seems to be repeating as well. Like, it doesn't seem random. To me, it sounds like it's the same sequence.
It's the
Same
same
sequence.
thing.
Yeah, it's the same sequence.